Hello friends, so like discussed in the last video, we will we will use the middleware that is Redux Thunk and fix this issue. So let's just go into the code and do this quickly. So let me just go to the app.js file. Yeah, so let me import Redux Thunk. Okay, so what we need to do is we also need to import apply middleware from Redux. Now we'll pass this as the second parameter. Apply middleware and pass the thunk. Okay, so after doing this we'll go to the actions, and now thunk middleware, it expects a function. We need to give it a function. It will execute that function and then it will respond with the object. So we'll create a function here, and this function has two parameters. One is dispatch and the other one is get state, but for now we'll just use dispatch. And once we get the response, we need to dispatch the action. Dispatch. It also has a catch block. Just console log. In case if there is any error. So we don't have to make any change here, anything else apart from this, and we also don't have to make any change in the user list. So this will work fine. So let's just check the browser. Yeah, so now we are getting the data, and this data is coming from the JSON server. If you let me just console log and show you the user action. So what we'll do is after the response comes console.log response. So yeah, so this is the data. We have the status 200. So this is the data that we are getting here. If you want to check, you can also check in the network tab. So this is the data that we have in the JSON server. So that's it for now. Next we'll by clicking on this, we'll populate the data, the details here. So that we'll do in the next video. Thank you.